Hey food lovers, welcome back to Lydia's Cooking Hacks, where I make cooking easy and fun. Today we're making a classic Nigerian favorite, white rice and beans with a rich, flavorful chicken and fish stew. Let's get started. We will start by washing and boiling the beans. I like to cook my beans 100% done before I add rice. Though I lost part of this video where I washed the beans and started cooking, but that is not a problem. All you need is to wash with warm water, the same for rice, and then add to the boiling beans and add salt. Cook with low heat until the rice is cooked. For the stew, I'm using leftover vegetable oil that I used to fry chicken. It helps to boost the taste of your stew. I will add onion and fry for 2 minutes, add tomato paste and allow to cook until the sour taste is gone, and then I will add a tomato sauce. But if you don't have, go ahead and add other ingredients and seasonings and then simmer for 10 minutes on medium heat. I use my homemade or home produced seasonings, Nigerian curry, thyme, and rosemary leaves. I got them from my own garden. So add every other seasonings and then add the chicken and fish, add some water and then allow to simmer for 10 minutes on low heat and the food is ready. Now the food is ready. Enjoy. It's so good. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a cooking hack. Try this at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Bye.